Hello friends, welcome back to our channel.
This is a short video on how to replace a Henry vacuum cleaner bag. Hopefully this will help someone. Make sure to get the correct bag according to the model number. Gently remove the hose from the vacuum cleaner. Remove both clips from the sides of the vacuum cleaner on each side. Remove the filter. Gently remove the bag from the inner hose. Insert the new bag into the inner hose. Put the filter back in its place. Align the logo with the hose and clip the top back on. Please be cautious not to overfill your bag, as an overfull bag will reduce the suction power. Thank you for watching and have a great day.